Hi, my name's Callum. I'm one of the key account managers here at Unique Fire and Security. We're here today at Manorside Academy conducting an access control upgrade and some new additions to the school to bring it all onto one system. So come with me and we'll take a look. So here we're in the early years reception part of the school. In this area, we've installed 4 new additional doors to the existing control system. That includes 3 classrooms and 1 main entrance door. The specific areas for this installation, we've got a slimline key switch isolator for the control system, fitted at high level to stay out of the way of the little ones. One of the main points the client wanted was that if any cabling could be contained and within the frame, it would be, and as you can see, we've done a pretty good job of dropping most of this within the frame. Any containment that was going to be used was going to be galvanized steel, which as you can see we've ran in. It's a very secure installation, obviously vandal resistant from the little ones as well, and all at high level. The installation is to use mag locks, as you can see here above, and it's a read-in, read-out system. So present a credential on either side of the door to open it and release the door, with the key switch override in use as well. So when we first surveyed this project, the site was running on 2 different access control systems. Standalone doors running on Control Soft. This is what one of the old readers looks like, so you can see the difference between that and the new. The main goal for bringing everything onto Net2 and onto the same system was for site continuity. They didn't need to have 2 separate credentials to get around the site. And the main thing with Net2 is that it's a networked system, meaning you can control it all from one place on a dedicated server, which makes it much easier for your site staff to control, allocate permissions, and just generally use the system as a client. It's much easier for us also as a maintainer to get onto where we need to see any issues around the system as well. So here we're now at one of the doors that was already access controlled prior to the project start date. So the scope of works for this door was to upgrade the existing controller and the existing readers to Net2. So we've reused mag locks and the door hardware that was in place. So all we've done is replace the reader, the controller, and then cable that controller back to data to bring it into the system. So we're in the younger years part of the school at the moment, where we've installed 4 new access control additions to the system. The way we've achieved this is we've brought all 4 doors back and we've installed 1 big power supply unit within a cupboard, so it's concealed and out of the way. What this means for the client is it's 1 unit instead of having 4 separate. It's all interfaced with the fire to release to ensure it's compliant. It's controlled, it's neat, and it keeps it out of the way and easy to maintain for us moving forwards. And that's a behind the scenes shot at our access control installation here at Manorside Academy. Like anything, school trust and half term, it's been all hands on deck here at Unique. We've got 6 engineers on site completing the project to make sure it's delivered on time and tested before the school reopens next week. If you'd like to hear more about how we can help you with access control installations, head over to our website.